Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial, I'm gonna talking about the two exponent method in the number object. Yeah, number object. So because everything is object in JavaScript, so this will be another story. So what this method does is return a string representing the number object in the exponent notation. So what we need to do is for that is we need to create a function so that you can understand. Name it function like expo, pass parameter x comma f, and then we're gonna return the number dot pass int, I mean float. You can also use int if you don't wanna use any dots, but it would be better if you use float here. So pass float of x, now you're gonna float the x into to 2 exponential, and now we're gonna pass the f. So when we do that, it's gonna take that, the x, the argument, and the y argument. Now what we need to do is log it on a console. What the heck? Log it on a console, the exponent, and pass bunch of string. So what it does, it gonna pass it into a number if that available. So 1 2 3 4 5, something like that, comma 2. So it tried to change it into a number if that number is a number. Then so there is an uncutter. What the heck? Holy moly! Exponential. God damn it! What is the problem, man? To exponential. Oh, TIAL, not what the heck? So exponential, and if I do that, it's gonna give you a number. So this is what it does. It's a damn long number, that's why it gonna it will not gonna show you, because it would be big waste of memory. Now we're gonna print something else like expo our function, and now we're gonna pass something like a string. It will returns you NaN. That means not a number, because this string doesn't have any number representation. So this is what it does, this function and the two exponential. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.